give proper education in a way to your kids about substance abuse. If you notice a problem, don't talk at them. Talk with them. Don't you know, a lot of things we in recovery talk about is stigma, and when you attack someone because of what they're doing, because they're going through this, it makes them feel like you're a part of that stigma, and you're making them feel like they're a junkie or you know, just a terrible person. Just make sure you let them know that you're here if you need help. Make sure when you talk to your kids, you let them know that you love them no matter what. Just make sure you always send them that message that you do love them, and nothing they do will ever make you stop loving them. Let them know that this is a phase that a lot of people go through, and it's not an easy thing to go through. But like, let them know what they're doing is wrong, but not in a way that makes them feel like you're against them. Because when you just confront them in a way that, when you confront them about something like this, makes them feel like you're just like everyone else. You're against them. A lot of people use drugs because they think the whole world is against them, and they just don't care. So make sure you let them know that you're not against them, that you are with them. Show them support. Show them that you love them.